We are now entering the Valley of the Kings. Straight ahead you can see the Pharaoh person. On the left there is hieroglyphics. On the right there is also hieroglyphics. That one means that one means they're holding hands. And that is like a
You
doll.
can't see him on this shite camera.
Hey, I'm a tour guide here. Shut your mouth. Right, don't listen to him. He's full of bullshit.
Charles, you sound gay.
There is the okay.
We're tipping.
Over there you can see
Get out of there.
you can see
Can't
men.
see. Can't see you. It's gay. Well, what was
That is it's a man in a canoe. He's yes.
It
Behind
sounds like
me,
the bloody Exorcist, doesn't it?
people-
Sounds like football when they go.
Oh,
I know what you mean, Lauren. Come on. You're a crap.
there's nothing. That's
You're a crap
we're
tour
not
guide.
passing anything. There's the fat baby statue.
Oh, look at the
Statue.
look at that feeder.
This hieroglyphic means that
Wow,
they
beast.
pray to the sun and the moon and the sky.
No, you're a tour guide.
I've done now.
Oh.
Wem. It means penis. It means penis in Egyptian.
Oh my god, look at that thing moving.
Oh yeah.
Shit. Quick. Oh look, there's a
Hit the brakes. Hit the brakes. Accelerate. That's it.
Ian, there's a drop. We're both gonna drop together.
Flipping head.
Oh my god.
That one's stuck in the bell.
When it's on night mode, it goes well slow. Video. Oh my god, we're gonna be going up together and dropping together. Vermint this ride.
Hold tight.
When boat stops, please remain seated. When boat stops, please remain seated.
Monkeys everywhere.
Oh no, there's a drop. Oh, we're going to die. By the way, this is not Valhalla, this is River
You can see
Rapids.
it's not Valhalla.
I don't think I can get done with the phone on this. Yeah, it's just gonna get wet though. Oh no! I actually don't want to get wet.
I actually got a splash on my hand.